What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, we're going to be talking about stock Amazon, stock ticker symbol AMZN. Jeff Bezos, the man, the myth, the legend himself. We are back and we're talking about Amazon. Now, before we jump into this, I want to let you guys know that I am so thankful for all the support, all the new subscribers, all the new likes on my videos. I have been really appreciative of that, and we are going to keep moving forward and keep making these stock videos because you guys are liking them and I'm enjoying making them. So let's jump into it and make some money off of Amazon. Okay, here we are looking at the 180-day chart, and as you can see, this is the 180 days. So this is back in March when we hit lows of 1625, and we recovered from it, and then we grew from it, and Amazon has just been growing nonstop ever since, and now we hit highs of 44 the other day. But look at this pullback here. I like this pullback. This is the type of stuff that we like here on this channel. We like these types of pullbacks. This is one of the bigger pullbacks, as you can see, throughout the whole 180 days too. Now, as we zoom into it more, we're going to look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart, and you can see that this pullback happened on Monday, along with the rest of the market, because it opened up well, right? We were doing good, and then all of a sudden, halfway through Monday, the stocks just dropped, okay? All the tech stocks, all the e-commerce stocks, Amazon, everything just dropped, and because of that, we are at the position where we're at now. And this is a perfect time to put this on your watch list because we're going to look at the future of what Amazon's going to be doing. Now, all these stocks were moving down because of the fact of the whole, we're moving away from the coronavirus is over with. Yeah, okay, whatever. But it just gives us a better opportunity as traders to find new lows for a stock that we may be looking for this for a while now. I don't know how many of you have been trying to jump into Amazon, but let's just look at the past 20 days. Trying to find a good entry point in Amazon, it must have been pretty hard. I mean, we had a couple little pullbacks, but this is a nice pullback, and I would like to see what happens next. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about here, is what is this stock for us? Is this going to be a long-term hold, a short-term hold, a buy now, a buy later? Let's get into the information. Now, here in this channel, I like to talk about overreactions. I like to talk about the hype train. Choo, choo, choo. Amazon has been on the hype train for a while, and as you can see, it's been going up, creating higher highs. But every single time, like most stocks, when there's an overreaction, there's a pullback, and then there's a new high, okay? Every time there's an overreaction, we make higher highs. Overreaction, higher highs. Overreaction, higher highs. And here we are now making one of the bigger overreactions that we've seen from this stock from a while. And what do you think is going to happen after we have an overreaction like this? Yes, you guessed it. It's a perfect opportunity to buy. Buy. Now, buying this stock, not at this very exact moment. I don't want you going on your phone or on your computer and literally buying like 30 shares of Amazon saying, oh, I heard from a YouTuber that this is going to make me a lot of money. I'm sorry. That's not how this works, okay? You got to do your own due diligence and find your own information about it yourself, okay? We don't like to buy dying stocks. That's not what we do here. We buy stocks that hit a point where they were overreacted, okay? We're in the overreaction phase right now. We're still kind of going down. If you look at our overall trend, we're still trending downward. We obviously didn't make new lower lows today, but we hit lows in the beginning of the week, and now we're just waiting to see more life, okay? All we're looking for from this stock is to see it regaining some life again, to see it make new higher highs. And to get to that point, we want to find a good entry spot, and that good entry spot is going to be hard to find because we don't know where the lowest lows are. Now, trying to find the entry point is going to be the hardest part of this, okay? We hit lows of 29.50 on Tuesday, and then we hit highs literally the day before at 33.44. So they dropped very quickly. It's a very big overreaction, and now we're going to be watching this very closely to see tomorrow is going to be a big day, because if we make new lower lows, that's a good sign to stay out of it and to just keep it on your watch list, put some alerts, and get ready to get into the stock. Now, normally I give you guys a straightforward answer, long-term, short-term, when to buy it, now, later, whenever it is. This is going to be a little bit different because we're just basing it off of what we saw. It's no real information that happened. Nothing bad actually happened to Amazon. Nothing Jeff Bezos said triggered this to happen. It's just the market itself. So now the hard part is because of stock like this, we didn't actually get bad news about it. Jeff Bezos didn't tweet something on Twitter and release some bad information about Amazon, okay? It was simply just the stock market itself, and because of that, it gives us as traders a perfect opportunity to come up and make some money. Now, if we look at how much we dropped, we were down about 12%, okay, since Monday. And that's only been 3 days. So we have to be very careful because if this starts going down, it has a lot more room to go down than up. But like I said before, this isn't something to panic about because nothing bad actually happened. It's just the market trying to correct itself. It's just people freaking out about the whole us getting over the coronavirus and all these tech stocks are going to be useless, okay? That's not what's actually happening, though. It's just the market itself. All these stocks were so overhyped and everything had to be corrected real quick. I promise you that it will hit higher highs. It's Amazon. They are going to make more. They're going to just grow as a company. And this pullback isn't because of something bad they did. It's just what the market said to them. And because of that, I want to leave you guys with one tip here. Do not just blindly enter into this. Remember, we want to wait to see life forming and we want to see a better recovery form. And you can enter and exit whenever you please, but one tip I would like to tell you is to have a plan. Have an exit point, have an entry point, okay? Make sure that those prices are something you will be willing to lose. If you have an exit point of, I will lose $100 and I'll be okay with it, okay? It's Amazon. It fluctuates a lot. $100 is nothing to me. Then go right ahead. But if you can't lose more than $5, I wouldn't be trading this, but that's besides the point. Just make sure you have a plan to get in and out of this stock. So I'm going to leave you with this. The plan is it's going to be either your choice. It's going to be either a short-term or long-term hold. When to buy it is also up to you because you will either be buying it within the next few days or the next few weeks. We're all going to be waiting to see what happens to this stock. And as a whole, it'll be kind of interesting to watch as the stock plays out. Like I said, it could make lower lows and it could make higher highs. We don't know that yet. So we're going to keep watch and we're going to wait for some news to bring it back to life along with other tech and e-commerce stocks. I hope that I gave you guys the opportunity to find this before it recovers because this is a good amount of money. It's up to 12% gain overall on Amazon that you can gain back if we hit higher highs from where we are right now. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and hopefully you'll be able to make some money on Amazon because I'll be definitely watching the next few days. Just keep an alert on and make sure you're staying on top of everything and figuring out all the news and everything because that's really the real key. Just figuring out what you're going to do with the stock and then figuring out the information on the stock. So again, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content if you've really been liking these. I appreciate all the support and everything you guys have been doing for me and I will see you guys in the next video.